Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect FundedNext to MT5. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to MetaTrader 5. You can do this as well on your web browser, alright, if you're using a Windows computer. Now, once we're in here in the MetaTrader 5 application, what we would want to do is just go ahead over to our accounts right here at the bottom right, tap on it. As you can see here, there's a plus sign in here near your accounts. Just tap on it, and in here, just type in funded next and wait for it to load. And as you can see here, you'll be able to see funded next Ltd. And when you tap on information right here, you'll be able to see the registration number, company registration address for you to know its legitimacy. All right. Once done, just hit on back and tap on funded next Ltd. And once you're in here, just go ahead and type in your login, type in your password, select the server right here. All right. FundedNext servers are up to 4. For example, I'm going to select 1 right here. I'm going to log in. I'm going to hit on my password. All right. Once done, just hit on login. As you can see here, we have just connected our FundedNext to MT5. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.